Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to read the chapter 8, Painting the Breeze. The story is written by Subhadra Sen Gupta. In this chapter, we will learn how an act of kindness can change lives. What defines a work of art? What role does imagination play in changing an everyday object into a work of art? Read a story about a little girl and how she created art out of simple objects. Parvati hummed as she worked, so the name of the little girl is Parvati. Humming means singing softly. It was the first time in days that she had felt like singing. Means in so many days, today she was happy. From so many days earlier, she was not good, she was not happy because of some reason, and today she is fine. Today she is feeling happy and feeling like singing. For 9-year-old Parvati and her brother Lakshman, the first few days had not been easy. Their father lay ill. So, yes, this was the reason for Parvati's sadness for some days, that father was not well. His body was burning with fever, and even the herbs their mother had given him had not helped. What had happened to the father? Father was having fever, and the herbs, the medicinal plants which the mother was giving to the father as medicines, were not working. The money had finished first. Soon there was little rice and dal left in the kitchen. So now maybe it was a poor family, and the father, he was not able to work because of fever. The money was finished, and now the dal and rice, they were very little in the kitchen. Unless they did something, they would have nothing to eat. Now it means everything was dependent upon Lakshman and Parvati, these brother and sister. They have to do something to earn money. After all, their father was just a potter, not a rich man. Father was just a potter. Potter means a person who make clay pots and utensils. He was not a rich man. The only answer to their problem was for Lakshman to make and sell the earthen pots and pans. Now, yes, the responsibility came on to Lakshman's shoulders. He had to start doing the pottery like his father and make earthen pots and pans and sell it in the market to earn money. Earthen means mitti ke ghade, mitti ke bartan. He had been working with his father since he was a child, but he had never worked alone before. Yes, Lakshman always knew that how to do the pottery because he has seen his father, but he had never done things himself. Their mother said she would help them with the potter's wheel and firing the kiln to bake the pots. Mother was also willing to help. She said she can help them with the potter's wheel, and also she will lit the kiln to bake the pots. The earthen pots, mitti ke bartan, which are made, they are always burnt. After that, they are put in a kiln. Kiln means bhatti. They are put in a kiln, which makes them even stronger. Lakshman and Parvati had walked out of the gates of their city Patliputra. They lived in Patliputra at dawn. Dawn means early morning, and headed for the river bank. The oil lamps placed in the niches of the tall wooden gates were dying, and the watchmen were dozing over their spears. So now both brother and sister, they moved out of their house, and they were moving towards somewhere. In the way, the palace came, and what they saw, that the oil lamps which were placed in the small gaps of the walls, the oil was finishing in those lamps, and the lamps were dying slowly. The light from the lamps was slowing down slowly, and the watchmen were sleepy now because they were awake full night, and now they were feeling sleepy. They were sleeping over their spears. Spear means bhala. Walking to the banks of the Ganga, they had collected the soft brown river clay and carried it back in their baskets. So where these brother and sister were going, they were going to the banks of river Ganga. They collected the soft soil and they carried it back to their home in the baskets. Then, nervously, they had shaped them into water pots and cooking bowls, lamps, plates, and vases. So, when they reached home, they made these so many things out of that soft soil. Many broke, some were out of shape, a few cracked when fired in the kiln, but enough were left to sell. So, yesterday they had bought rice, dal, and vegetables with their own earnings. So, yes, after a lot of hard work, some utensils were left, pots and pans were left to be sold in the market. They had sold it, they had earned money and brought rice, dal, and vegetables for the family. Today their father was free of the fever, and there was a delicious aroma of food wafting out of the kitchen. So today, as food was there in the home, mother had prepared delicious food, and the aroma was coming out of the kitchen. Means aroma means swadisht khushbu was coming out of the kitchen. So Parvati sang a song as she worked, sitting on the edge of the courtyard near the lane that went past their little thatched hut. Thatched means having the roof which is covered with straw. So she was sitting in the courtyard. Courtyard is outside area, Angan. She was sitting outside near the lane, the main lane, which went past their little hut. Means main lane means the main road. She was sitting in the courtyard outside their house, which was near the main road. Nobody had asked her to paint the pots, but she knew that the painted pots sold better. She always knew that painted pots instead of simple plain pots sold better. You could even ask for a few more copper pana for them. Copper pana means copper coins, sikke, and people would pay. All she had were the colors black and white, which she had made herself. She had collected the soot from the lamps in the house and added oil to create black. So she was painting the pots and pans with two colors, black and white. How she had made black color? She had collected the blackness. Soot means the black thing which is deposited when a lamp is burning. So she had collected that black soot and she mixed it with oil, and paint was black color was created. And to create white, she had ground some pieces of lime and mixed it with water and made the white. She had taken pieces of lime and she had grounded them. Grounded them means she had grounded means pisna, and she mixed it with water and white color was made. Two small earthen bowls with the colors sat before her and she dipped her brushes in them. As you can see in the picture, there are two earthen bowls, mitti ke do chote bartan, in which black and white color is there, and she is painting a big pot with those colors. The brushes were the twists of cotton, and with these she drew her dreams on the water pots and vases. How she had made brushes? It was the twisted cotton. Modi gai rui. She had made her brushes with the twisted cotton, and she was painting whatever she saw in the dreams or whatever she was feeling to draw. Everyone drew squares, triangles, straight and wavy lines. She had seen on the pots that everybody had drew square shapes, triangle shapes, straight lines and wavy lines like in the shape of waves. Parvati dipped the cotton into the white and thought, I won't draw. I don't want to draw just lines. So when she was dipping the cotton into the white color, she said, I do not want to draw simple lines and shapes. She looked up at the sky and the clouds, cotton wool white after the rains, and she drew a row of them around the pot, curving and floating around like the smiles of the sky. So she just looked up and she saw the clouds, the clear white clouds after the rain. and she thought that I should draw the clouds. So as you can see in the picture, Parvati is sitting and drawing the wavy floating clouds of the sky on the pot. Pulling a plate closer, Parvati was startled by a red and black butterfly as it flew across her face and then fluttered down to perch on the yellow pumpkin flower on the courtyard hedge. Just after that, when Parvati was pulling a plate closer to her, she saw a red and black colored butterfly which flew across her face. And then it sat down. Perched means it sat down on a yellow flower on the pumpkin plant. And Parvati drew the tilted curved wings of the butterfly like a border around the plate. And what she did, she just took inspiration from that and she drew the tilted means mude hue, tilted kind of wings around the plate of the pot. So dear students, this is the half explanation of the chapter. Today we will do till here. In the next lecture, we will continue from the page number 58.